Welcome to the speaking section of IELTS examination. My name is Sapna Dhameja and I will be your examiner for this part of the test. And this test will be recorded. So, may I know your full name, please?
Yes, of course. My full name is Avni Chandra.
Okay. How may I address you?
You may address me with my first name, Avni.
Great. So, Avni, may I see your identification, please?
Yes, of course. Here is my identification.
Thank you so much. Where do you live?
I live in small town of Haryana, which is known as Tohana and which is also known as City of Kanhan.
Wonderful. So, do you study or work?
I am student at Green Valley Public School.
That's wonderful. So, Avni, now few questions will be based on mirrors. Do you like looking at yourself in the mirror?
Yes, of course. I usually looking in the mirror while getting ready in the morning or before going out somewhere. I don't like spending too much time in the front of it, but I do like to make sure that I look neat and presentable.
Wonderful. Have you ever bought mirrors?
Actually, I have never personally bought a mirror. My parents usually bought it for household items. However, I do have them those designs sometimes.
Okay, so your parents usually buy.
Yes.
Okay, do you usually take a mirror with you whenever you go out?
Not really. I never don't take mirror with me because nowadays a mobile phone camera perfectly works to check my face and hairstyle anytime.
Would you use mirror to decorate your room?
Yes, definitely. A mirror are a great decorative item. They make room look brighter, cleaner, and even more spacious when placed near windows.
That's good. Okay, so before proceeding further to this interview here, I would like to inform at your IELTS partner, we are offering online classes for speaking, reading, writing and listening or all modules. If you want to take all module classes, you can. First of all, you can book free demo class and later on you can enroll in any of the module or all modules. The number is displayed in the pinned comment and in the description also. You can WhatsApp us or contact us. Thank you so much. Okay, now few questions will be based on parks. Did you like going to park as a child?
Yes, absolutely. I loved visiting parks. During my childhood, I used to play games like badminton, and I also enjoy seeing sunslides.
Do you still like going to park now?
Yes, of course. I still like to going to parks whenever I get free time because parks help me to feel relaxed and peaceful after a busy or stressful day.
Would you like to see more parks in your city?
Yes, of course. I would like to see more parks in my city because they provide fresh air and in natural environment. They are also important for children, elderly people, and fitness lovers.
Okay, are there any parks you want to go in the future?
Yes, definitely. I would love to visit park in future because I would love to visit different parks in future in cities or countries. I especially enjoy places with beautiful greenery, flowers, and peaceful surroundings.
Now, few questions will be based on shopping. How often do you go for shopping?
Truly speaking, I don't go for shopping very often because I usually buy things when I actually need them. Mostly I go for shopping, groceries, clothes and sometimes household items with my mother.
Do you prefer online shopping or in-store shopping?
I prefer online shopping because it is convenient and saves a lot of time. Moreover, online app offer better discount as compared to local stores.
Okay. Have you ever returned anything you bought online?
Yes, certainly. Once I have ordered a product that was damaged, and other time the size was incorrect. Fortunately, the return process was simple. I received my refund quickly.
Okay, so Avni, do you really like shopping?
Yes, I really enjoy shopping when I buy something useful or enjoyable, but I really don't like crowding markets or spending too many hours for shopping.
Now I'm going to give you the cue card and you will have to speak between 1 and 2 minutes. If you wish to plan your answer, then you can make notes for 1 minute. You have to speak at least 2 minutes or between 1 and 2 minutes. You will start?
Yes.
Okay, yes, Avni, you will start speaking now.
Cakes are often connected with happiness and celebration, but one cake that I received from someone became very memorable for me because it fills with emotions, love, and surprises. A very special cake that I received from my friends become very memorable for me. On my birthday last year, I was just sitting at home spending time with my family. I had no idea that my friends were planning a surprise for me. After some time, they suddenly came to my house with a beautiful chocolate cake in their hands. I was really shocked and excited because I was not expecting anything like that. The name was cake was looking delicious and attractive. My name was written beautifully on the top of it. After some time, my old friends gathered in the room, started singing the birthday song for me. The whole atmosphere became full of excitement and happiness. Then I cut the cake while everyone was clapping and cheering for me. After some time, we clicked many pictures together and enjoyed the celebration. That moment became one of the memorable for me. Even today, when I remember this moment, it brings smile on my face and fills my heart with joy.
That's wonderful. Okay, so what do you think? Only the children love eating cake, or adult also like eating or like having it?
I think that all loving to eat cakes because cakes are delicious, tasty, and they we can also provide in every flavor. How depends on our taste. So I think that everyone loves cake.
Because these are mouth watering. Okay, so thank you. This is end of the cue card. Now I'm going to ask follow-up questions, and these questions will be based on the cue card. Okay, what do you think of people using their mobile phone during a meal?
Personally, I think that using their mobile phone during a meal is not a good habit while eating with your friends or family because nowadays people are stayed busy on their social media, so they get very little time together. They want to talk with the people sitting behind them. In my opinion, the behavior looks quite rude and weakens relationships slowly.
Okay. What are the differences between special food in India and other countries?
Well, there are many differences between Indian special food and the food served in other countries. Indian dishes is rich in spices, flavor, aroma, and take a long time to prepare. Indian meal has wide variety of vegetarian dishes. On the other hand, Western dishes are special. Western countries' special food are simpler, less spicy because they focus more on baking rather than using many spices.
Okay. Is there any food in your country that is eaten at special times or on special occasions?
Yes, certainly. India has many traditional food that are prepared during festival and celebration like Diwali. People prepare food like gulab jamun and laddus. Similarly, during wedding and family function like dishes, shai paneer and dessert are commonly served. Food plays a very important role in Indian culture and because it brings people together and increases the joy of celebration.
How it increases the joy of celebration?
Because when we gather to eating someone, we meet new people and we all are very happy to see everyone and it brings people together. We eat together everyone.
So you consider that food always brings people together?
Yes, of course.
Okay, they could be any people or family or friends too.
I think it's family or friends or people.
Do you think it's good to communicate when eating with your family?
Yes, it is good to communicate when eating to your family because nowadays family members are busy in their work, studies on social media, so they get very little time together. Meal time give everyone chance to share their problems, discuss their day, and support emotionally. In my perspective, regular conversation during family members build strong relationship and helps them a better understanding among family members.
Why do you think that people discuss only while having meals?
Because they don't get time because everyone in today's fast moving life everyone is busy in their social media, so meal time should give everyone a chance to talk.
To speak, to talk.
Yes.
Thank you so much. This is end of the test. Thank you, Avni. Hi there. Now this is time to give the feedback for Avni. So usually on my channel that you see that young adults, they generally take the mock test for IELTS. Very rare it happens that only the teenagers, they come and they take this test for speaking, and Avni is one of them. She is just a teen, and I'm very surprised when I have taken this mock test, and I am surprised to listen her today. She has maintained the criteria properly, that she understood that how to work upon that. Today, for her speaking, I'm giving 6.5 band score. Even on this platform, that many even young adults, they come and they just give me the interview mock test, but still they lack in confidence and they exactly don't know how to work on the criteria, four parameters, be this is fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy and pronunciation. But at very teenage, she learned this thing and she managed very well. So I really appreciate Avni. Thank you so much. But when once she will be fully prepared, I think that she would be able to get note 6.5 at damn sure that over there at final examination, maybe in 4 years or maybe in 3 to 5 years, that she would be able to secure at least 8.5 or 9 band score. I'm sure about this. So here I won't tell her mistakes because she did everything great. Even in this age, at the age of 13, she maintained it very well and it was very fantastic and superb interview. And in future, I think she can do more better, and all the best from my side. And if you are one of the viewers of this channel, then just consider this test also, because if you are planning to take test and you have this kind of fluency, you know how to maintain the coherence, and you are using right amount of vocabulary words, very uncommon words, and you are taking care of grammar part also, and you are good at your pronunciation, then definitely you can get 6.5 band score. But for more than that, you have to focus on the entire criteria, need to work upon your fluency, need to work upon the connectors, that how to add up ideas logically by using right connectors, by using right expressions and examples, be this is part 1 or follow-up. And in the second part, especially in the third part, lexical resource, where uncommon words or rare words, if you are using them, you can go beyond 6.5. GRA, grammatical range and accuracy, matters a lot, because most of the time when the students come, they generally ask that, ma'am, we have very good speaking, but still we got only 6 or 6.5 band in IELTS, then why? So here is the answer of that question. In the GRA part, many candidates, they do not use variety of sentences, wide range of sentences, be this active, passive, complex, compound, and question sentences. So you people may be not using, that is why some people lose the score in the final examination. And pronunciation matters a lot. Some candidates, when I listen to them, they are having very good pronunciation, whereas some try to add some accent, be this is British or American. So I strictly advise to those people who try to add some British and American accent in their speaking, this is not advisable. Just go simple, go normal, as we speak here in our country, normal English, but you must be precise and you must be clear, and the examiner can easily understand you this what pronunciation means. Hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much. Thank you, Anil.